everybody, my name is Maya and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm doing the diffuser versus diffuser, and I'm gonna be showing you this first one of it's called a Remington, and this is like a pink color one. It doesn't kind of look like it, but it's just almost like a pink and gray look, a kind of this diffuser. And it does have like a round of it, but it does shows on this like a pointer, like showing like a tiny skinny circle look of it, but it shows like a not too round, but it does have like a weird look of this kind of like an oval, I think. Yeah, this shows like a nice there, and does have like a round in the back of the filter. Here, let's show this one. Yeah, it's like a big filter to see it. It just shows on the way. And this is like the best kind of all. This one. The second one is called like a Jenin hairdryerfashion, and this is like a diffuser, and it does have like a round of it, and this is like showing all this like a circle kind of look, and this is like not like a spear, but this like it has like a purple color, and it's very light. It's like a lavender, I think. And this is like a really cool thing to do for this one, and I really love this diffuser so much. And it does have like a circle around other than that other one, but this is a really thing to have like of this diffuser. And this one does have like a filter, if you see see it through the fan of it. And it has like shining of it, this one. Yeah, it's like showing like the silver kind of it. It feels kind of cool of it. So let's show the first diffuser, which is the reggaeton one, and this is gonna be that. And after that, I'm gonna be showing you the purple one, which is the Jenin hairdryerfashion, and let's see how long it is to diffuse very fast of it. Let's start the beginning from the top, and let's do it. All right, this is how I'm gonna set up for a timer to how long to could dry fast, because this is going to be very cool to do, and it's going to be very challenging. Let's just start this one right now, and I'll see you in my face when I get there. Okay, so this is how long this diffuser dried my hair. It kind of a little bit of like an hour ago, but this is like almost like the longest to dry this hair so long. Like it's almost an hour. Well, let's head it to the next step of this next diffuser. So I'll see you in the next time on this next diffuser. Okay, the next one is the Jenin hairdryerfashion, and this is gonna show how many minutes it's gonna be. And let's just start this one out and start it right now. So that's how it dries very fast, and it looks like we have a winner to beat this heat there. And we have this purple one, and I hope you guys have a great time with doing the diffuser versus diffuser. And what do you think about this? So leave me comments down below. What do you think about doing the diffuser versus diffuser? And that would be it for now. So, what do you think about this video? Is see who's like at fastest to dry the hair dryer the most of it with the curls. And I only use the cool setting but not the heat because it's gonna damage my hair so much, because I'm trying to keep my curls very healthy and nice. And look how bouncy it is. And yes, it's more like a day 5 curls. And this is really nice. This is sea of it. And this is so cool. That was a really cool one to show doing the diffuser versus diffuser. And I kind of like it. It's like a best challenging ever. And yes, see the destruction behind the back of the backyard? Yeah, it's a destruction out there doing some construction, yeah. So anyway, like this video if you think about this diffuser versus diffuser, and leave me comments down below, and follow me on Instagram, Tumblr, Pinterest, TikTok, and Threads. And also, you can also see the playlist there and about the natural hair routine. And you can subscribe to my channel if you like it, and click the notification on the bell if you want to see more videos from me. And I hope you have a great day, and I love you bunches, and goodbye.